Hello, my name is Samarinder Singh. I am a iOS developer. We started our very first video tutorial series about SwiftUI. So we learned the basics of SwiftUI in the previous sessions. Today we will learn about LazyVstack, LazyHstack, and by using them we will create one grid to display the images as a emojis. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so first we need to add here one. Okay, so first we add here lazy hgrid. Okay, let's see row. Okay, so we have to create here, let rows equals to grid item as a size. Okay, here we add a adaptive. Here we have three options called adaptive, fixed and flexible. First we use the adaptive one, and we add here minimum size. We add here 80 and no need for maximum size. Okay, let's pass it here, and in the content we take one text, and later we will add here our emojis. Okay, now we have to create a list. Okay, so first we add here scroll view to display a list. Okay, and here we mention as a horizontal. Okay, and let's add some padding. Okay, and here. Okay, so now we have to create a list of emojis, right? Okay, so let's add here four 0x1f and 600 dot 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 0x1f 650. Okay, okay, we create the for loop. Okay, and here we add just text emoji code. We call this as a code. Okay, so we just have to pass the code here. Okay, and now okay, we have to create here to convert this code into a emoji string, right? Okay, let's create one private function. Okay, emoji, we call this as emoji, and okay, so now here we add the value as a param. We will add here value as a parameter type of integer, and it will return us a string, right? Okay, first we add here return as a string, and inside string we have a character. Okay, character, we need to pass here a character code. Okay, so first we add here guardlet scalar equals to unicode scalar, and value is value, otherwise else return an empty string, right? Okay, we add here question mark for now. We use this unicode scalar here. Okay, cool, and now we call this function inside our text string. We call this image as value. We have a code as integer type. Okay, so it's showing us an error just because okay, lazy stack, we have a LazyHGrid. Okay, 1F600, and okay, let's add here a for each. Okay, we add here a for each, and let's pass the value here. Okay, okay, we pass the value, and we add here id as a okay, we add id as a self and done. Okay, here we have the code in. Okay, so now the code is displayed in the text as a emoji. Okay, but it's overlapping to each other just because we added a scroll for each outside of the lazy h stack. So okay, now these are displaying, but the we have to make it bit larger. So let's add here size font. Okay, okay, now it's displaying a bit good. Okay, and now okay, so as you can see, now it's in horizontal grid. If we want to make it as vertical, then how we will do this? First we will run this in simulator. Let's do it once. Okay, just starting the simulator, and if we see it, okay, it's running. Okay, okay, now the list is displayed. Let's try it. Okay, you can see the beauty of adaptive layout. Now it's automatically adjusting based on the size, right? Okay, so what if we can add here fixed? Okay, rows as fixed, and we don't need this now. And let's see here, preview, reload it, and okay, now you can see the only one row is coming now with the size of 80, right? So let's, if we want here 2 rows, then what we will do is we just copy and paste it, right? Okay, now you can see the 2 rows are coming, right? Okay, and okay, let's add here. Now we will check the third one is flexible. Okay, so flexible, a single flexible item, right? Okay, we add here minimum again 80, and let's remove the maximum. Okay, and now here we just remove this and add here. Okay, so now it's a flexible 80. Now we can see here again it's a single, but if we add here one more with flexible 80, then okay, we have an error just because. So the bracket, okay, now it's in flexible, but it done? Actually, it divided the whole vertical space into equally, right? The flexible, what it does, it basically uh, expand the whole space into equal, right? Okay, so these are the three. We have grid item types, we use that. Now let's convert it in VGrid. Okay, means vertical grid. Now here we add columns. Okay, columns, here we mark as columns, and you can see again the same. Okay, make it as vertical. Okay, you can see here it is now in vertical grid. Okay, okay, now let's change as adaptive. And okay, now it's an adaptive and minimum is 80. And let's remove the maximum size. And okay, let's check it now what it. Okay, as you can see now it's in grid where we have 4 columns and the uh, unlimited rows, right, based on the our content. Okay, so I hope you understand the difference between lazy VGrid and lazy HGrid, and we learned about the grid items type as adaptive, fixed and flexible. Okay, so if you like this, please do subscribe my channel for the future videos, and if you have any query, please add your comment. Thank you.